My name is Mary Stewart, and I am a private attorney in Concord, New Hampshire. I'd like to talk to you today about consumer bankruptcy and provide you with 5 things to think about regarding personal bankruptcy protection. Number 1, you may want to consider filing for personal bankruptcy protection if you are over your head in debt and unable to maintain your basic living expenses due to monthly debt payments. The test of whether you qualify to file for bankruptcy protection is if you are unable to pay your bills as they become due. Number 2, if you file bankruptcy, from the moment you file, the automatic stay goes into effect. Under the automatic stay, creditors must stop taking any action to collect money or property from you to pay a debt. This means foreclosure stop, phone calls stop, lawsuits stop, and any and all correspondence or other contact from any creditor instantaneously upon the filing of your case. The purpose of this stay is to allow the debtor a little breathing room to present to the court the plan for the case. Number 3, you have a choice between filing a Chapter 7 straight bankruptcy or Chapter 13 personal reorganization. The main difference is that in a Chapter 7 petition, the debtor lists all of his assets and liabilities but does not propose any sort of repayment plan. A Chapter 7 case, from the date of filing to the date it closes, the date of discharge, lasts approximately 4 to 6 months. In a Chapter 13 petition, in addition to listing all your assets and debts, the debtor proposes a repayment plan to pay back all or a part of what is owed. Most people file Chapter 7, but there are a couple of reasons a person may choose to file Chapter 13. The most common is that if you are behind on your mortgage payments and even facing foreclosure, a Chapter 13 will stop the foreclosure and allow you the opportunity to propose a 3 to 5 year repayment plan to catch up the mortgage arrearage. The beauty of a Chapter 13 repayment plan is the lender does not have to agree to the plan as long as the court approves the plan. Number 4, it is a common misunderstanding that if you file bankruptcy, you will lose your home, your car, and/or all of your possessions. This is not correct. In most cases, whether you are in Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, debtors are able to keep all of their possessions. Number 5, if you are over your head in debt, have an impending foreclosure, and want to save your home, are being sued by creditors, or losing your mind from all the calls from creditors, you may want to think about the option of personal bankruptcy in order to get a financial fresh start. The nonprofit lawyer referral service of the New Hampshire Bar Association can connect you with a licensed and insured bankruptcy attorney to discuss whether personal bankruptcy protection is right for you. Call 603-229-0002 or request a referral online at www.nhlrs.org. This video is brought to you by the New Hampshire Bar Association's Foreclosure Relief Project, which is supported by funding from the National Mortgage Foreclosure Project Lawyer Referral Service.